Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to open single or multiple websites using only keyboard shortcuts in Windows computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So here I'm gonna use our Chrome web browser. So you can use a Edge web browser or any other web browser present on your respective computer. So firstly, just right mouse click on the respective web browser and just click on this properties. And now you will see your target. You just click on this last portion and now hit space on your computer keyboard. Now you need to type the website link which you want to open. So let me type some websites here. And if you want to add a multiple website, just put a space after every website. So yeah, I'm gonna add two different websites. You can add as much websites you want to add. So after that, you can see your shortcut keys. Just click on it. Now on your computer keyboard, just press Ctrl+Shift and whatever key you want to add. So I'll put here G. So once all the settings are done, just click on this apply, click on OK. Now on your computer keyboard, just press the shortcut key, which I have set now, Ctrl+Shift and G. So right now you can see as soon as the respective web browser open, it will automatically open the respective websites which I have added. So you can see here I have added two different websites. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily open single or multiple websites using only keyboard shortcuts in Windows computer very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.